What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Miss Chance from VOCALFY. A dynamic approach to singing. Today, we are going to be talking about the lips, the teeth, the tip of the tongue. We are talking your articulators. This is the last portion of the vocal track tour, so get ready. Stay tuned. It's your girl Miss Chance back with another VOCALFY video. I hope everybody is doing okay. Today we are talking about the articulators, one thing that I need to work on. Yes, before I forget, you know the drill. Hit your girl with a like, hit your girl with a subscribe, hit your girl with a comment, or please just share the video, or just come back and watch more because it does help me to know that you are watching these videos and it makes me want to make more. So support the kid and come in and have some vocal fun with me, okay? So let's get, ooh, nice bird. Hi, birdie. Let's drill according to the Googles. Articulation is the process by which sounds, syllables, and words are formed when the tongue, jaw, teeth, lips, palates modify the airstream coming from the vocal folds. Let's do a few exercises that will help with articulation. Number one, just start with a simple hum. What humming does, it gives you that buzzing sensation in your lips and wakes all those muscles up. Try that for 5 seconds each, 4 times in a row. Next up for articulation, exercise number 2 is good old-fashioned tongue twisters, which I hate because I'm so bad at them, but whatever, we still gotta try. Here's a good one. I need a box of biscuits, a box of mixed biscuits. Ooh, I can't even do it. I need a box of biscuits. I need a box of biscuits, a box of mixed biscuits, a biscuit mixer. I need a box of biscuits, a box of mixed biscuits, a biscuit mixer. I got it slow, but I still got it. Celebrate the small victories. Try that 10 times in a row. Let me know how it goes. Last articulation exercise is the pen talk. So you're going to try to talk or sing with the pen in your mouth. Then you're going to go back and sing or do the sentence again without the pen in your mouth. And you should hear a slight difference in how clean and clear you sound. Tryna rain from the thunder. Tell the storm I'm new. I'm a march on the regular. Painting white flag blue. Lord forgive me, I've been running blind and true. I'm a march on the regular. Painting white flag blue. Hey. Freedom, I can't lose. Freedom, help me lose. Hey. Freedom, where are you? Freedom, I need you. I break chains all by myself. I'm a freedom walking hell. Hey, I'ma keep running 'cause the winner don't quit on himself. Okay. Without it now. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and what's the words? Tryna rain on the thunder. Tell the storm I'm new. I'm a march on the railer. Paint white flags blue. Lord forgive me, I've been running blind in truth. I'm a march on the railer. Paint white flags blue, yeah. I'm telling these fears going far away, oh. May the last one burn into flames. Freedom, I can't lose. Freedom, cut me loose. Yeah, freedom, where are you? Freedom, I need you. I break chains all by myself. Oh, this freedom walking hell. Hey, I'ma keep running 'cause a winner don't quit on himself. Okay, that was your VOCALFY lesson. Now go off and sing. Have a great day, and I will see you next time. Peace.